this spring, there was an aphid outbreak in my garden. The population grew very fast in the beginning. Soon after that, they attract their natural enemies. Then the population of aphids was kept in control. I would like to show those natural enemies of aphids observed in my gardens. First, of course, the ladybug. Both adults and larvae eat aphids. I also find this smaller all-black ladybug. You can see that it's happily devouring an aphid. I also found a parasitoid wasp hanging and resting on the skin of an aphid, which probably it just emerged from. There was another smaller wasp. It is in fact a parasite of the parasitoid wasp. This is called hyperparasite. I found many victims. All they have left were their pale, empty skins. I also found a larva of a hoverfly. Technically speaking, it is a maggot. Instead of rotten meat, it has a good appetite for aphids. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe. Also, please put your comments in the comment box below. See you next time. Bye bye.